Okay guys, so I wanted to show you another technique today. So this technique is a way to defend our opponent trying to take our back. So maybe we start in a turtle position and our opponent is trying to circle behind us and get back control. And we really want to avoid letting him get back control. So I'm going to do a roll, but there's some important details in this roll that I want you to pay attention to that's going to make it work for you, okay? So maybe I'm here like so, shot in, something happened, and now this person's coming behind me. And here's the technique. Okay, so let's go over the details. So when he comes around, all I'm going to do is pinch him with my armpit. I'm not going to reach back and try to get some terrific grip. I'm not going to get a grip and squeeze it down, because when he senses the grip, he's going to start to sprawl, lean his weight back. It's going to make it difficult for me to roll him. I just want to capture his energy. He's spinning behind me, so as he's coming, I want to hit him just in the flow of that, just so I can piggyback on top of his energy, okay? So just a little squeeze like this. I definitely don't want to reach far back, because if I reach far back, maybe he takes my arm, so he comes around, and I reach, maybe he starts to armbar me. Yeah, that's the worst. So I don't want to do that. So I just pinch with my armpit. And if I miss his arm, if he comes around, and I somehow miss it, he pulls his arm out, then I can get some kind of guard going perhaps this way. That's still much better than letting him get on my back. So there's another little detail. When he comes around, I'm going to turn into him a little bit and I'm going to roll over my shoulder. So why do I turn in? Because if he gets all the way behind me, then the roll might not work. He still might get to my back. I basically want to have him at least perpendicular to me. So as he's coming around, if I turn and face him, that makes my back that much further away from him. So here we are. He comes around again. I turn and face him. Pinch. I come over my shoulder. And then I come up on top. So the other detail I just mentioned, I come over my shoulder. Why do I come over my shoulder? Because I want to make the gear that's turning my body as small as possible. If I try to roll just over my hips, like so, this is a big gear that I'm rolling over. When I lower my shoulder, it's a very small gear that I'm rolling over. And then the last detail is where I put my hand. So he comes around. As soon as he comes in, I pinch, I turn into him, I roll. Now what do I do with this arm? If I put it in the middle, maybe I start getting crucifixed and he starts attacking me. That's very bad for me. If I go across his body, maybe he gets a crucifix here, or gets a seatbelt grip, now he can still get a top. Maybe he gets my back because I reached across. So I don't want to go through his legs. I don't want to go across. I'm going to bring my arm down to the mat. I don't even want to just have it here, because even if it shifts here, he still might be able to get underneath me. Yeah. Start to get my arm. If I don't give him my arm, he still might get to my back. If he's clever, go ahead, or he knows how to attack this position, he might be able to get to my back. So I got to bring my arm all the way to the mat. Now he has no path to my back. Look at that, I'm blocking off that path. He tries to get to my back, it's not possible. And I'm just going to hold his leg, come up with his elbow leg, and now I'm on top. If you think about it, if we were standing and he had a seatbelt grip on me, I wouldn't put my arm between his legs, I wouldn't put it across his body, I would bring it all the way back here in order to square up and get out of this position. So that's exactly what we're doing on the mat. We're blocking his path to our back, and then we're recovering our position. So this technique, I've used it all the time in training, super effective. One safety measure, go down lower. If you're the person on top, you want to be careful, because when you come around, if you have your head way up in the air, he rolls, boom, you can hurt your head and neck very badly. So if you feel yourself getting rolled, you have to duck and turn your head. Maybe use your hand here to break your fall a little bit so you don't end up hurting your head and neck. Okay? So practice that technique. Pay attention to those details. If you find you're trying to do this technique in sparring and it's not working, you're probably missing one of those details.